Alright, this is Phase 1, Block 2. My personal space. I found my place in the woods, and I've set up camp. Basically, you got this first part where you're kind of setting it up and you're kind of sketching it out. Module 2 is making the camp. Module 3 is camp comfort. So obviously I picked my spot here in the Arapahoe National Forest. I realize it's getting a little dark. So hopefully this looks okay. But so I picked up my spot. I decided on this sort of setup for a lean-to, tarp like lean-to sort of thing. Pretty standard. It goes all the way down in the back since it is kind of winter. I've got snow pushed up on it, and then I got this awning here in the front. Hearth will go there. You can see that it's there's snow on the ground. So my options are I'm gonna either build a little fire on top of maybe 3 or 4 green logs, just to kind of keep the fire off the snow. Or since it's just a couple inches of snow, I'll probably just scrape it away and make my hearth, down in the mineral earth right there. So that's that. Camp comfort, construct the cooking hearth, which I still got to do yet. And then a raised sleeping platform. So I went with a pretty basic raised platform. As you can see, it's got 3 kind of thickish logs in the longitudinal axis, I guess. I've got a handful of logs going horizontally. There's a natural dip there, so I really only have the horizontal logs going up that way, and like 1 or 2 there. And then I've got obviously some pine boughs in there, kind of for a little bit of insulation. That's not really enough. You're really supposed to have more than that, but I'm gonna put a space blanket over the top anyway, so it doesn't matter as much. But let me show you what I got going around the back here. Pretty basic, like I said. I kind of sealed up the back. This should be the direction of the prevailing winds. I'm probably not I'm not quite square against the prevailing winds, but close enough. And then also, if you're at a little bit of an angle too, that helps with possibly like smoke from your fire sort of like getting caught up as the wind kind of goes over this. So it's actually not a bad idea to make it sort of off center. But that's it. I'm gonna go build my hearth and take my pictures and maybe cook some food. Alright, getting pretty dark now, but I kind of wanted to show another angle camp. Lean-to. Got lucky and I found a chainsawed log. The Forest Service must have come through here, did a little maintenance. And kind of built a little hearth in front of that. Got the log there kind of as a reflector. And a little table. And got a little pile of dry stuff there. Scrape down the mineral earth. And I think that's that. I'm gonna go relax. Over and out. Nice cheery little fire. Let's get inside. pretty comfortable.